Is your Mac crawling like a snail? Don't panic. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through simple steps that will turn it into a rocket. Take a breath, grab your Mac, and let's do this together. But first, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a quick Mac fix again. Alright, ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Clean up your startup apps. Go to System Settings, General, Login Items. Look through the list and ask yourself, do I really need all of these running the moment my Mac turns on? Probably not. Remove the ones you don't use every day. By doing this, you're cutting down the time it takes your Mac to boot. Imagine shaving off 20 to 30 seconds just with one step. Step 2. Clear out your trash and caches. Empty your trash. Simple but powerful. Now hold the Option key, click Go on the top menu and select Library. Inside, you'll see a folder called Caches. Open it. Delete the contents, not the folder itself, just the files inside. What you're really doing here is throwing away digital junk your Mac doesn't need anymore. Think of it like decluttering your desk. Suddenly, you have space to breathe. Step 3. Close background apps. Press Command plus Option plus Escape. A small window will appear showing all running apps. Take a moment. Do you actually need all of them? Probably not. Quit the ones you don't need right now. This frees up memory instantly, giving your Mac more room to focus on what you actually want to do. Step 4. Open Activity Monitor. You'll find it in Applications, Utilities. Sort by CPU or memory. Here's the magic. You'll see exactly which apps are hogging your system. If something is eating up too much CPU or memory, close it. Suddenly, your Mac feels like it just dropped a heavy backpack. Step 5. Restart your Mac. I know, it sounds too simple. But trust me, restarting clears memory, refreshes processes, and gives your system a fresh start. Think of it like giving your Mac a good night's sleep. When it wakes up, it's recharged and ready. And there you go. In just 5 minutes, your Mac is running smoother, faster, and sharper. Now, I've got a question for you. Which step made the biggest difference for your Mac? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.